Do you need to add doors, windows, furniture, and other elements to your floor plans? Whether it's creating detailed room layouts, adding landscaping elements, or inserting professional symbols, mastering the object library is essential for complete architectural drawings. Hi, Matt here from SolidDrafter. In our previous tutorial, we mastered the circle, rectangle, and polygon tools. Today, I'm going to show you the object library, the professional element collection. Here's what makes this tutorial essential. The object library contains pre-built professional elements that would take hours to create manually. Each object maintains proper proportions, standard dimensions, and professional appearance that elevates your drawings to industry standards. By the end of this tutorial, you'll master accessing and navigating the object library, door placement with left hand and right hand options, window insertion with adjustable sizing, furniture placement including tables and chairs, landscaping elements like trees for site plans, direction arrows and north indicators, text boxes for annotations and labels, elevation markers for professional documentation, car symbols for parking and driveway layouts, move, copy, and delete operations for all objects. Now let's explore the object library. When you click on the Object Library button, you'll see the Object Library panel pops up. This contains elements ready for immediate use. Let's start with door elements. You'll notice we have two door options, left-hand and right-hand doors. To add them to the canvas, simply click on the door object in the Object Library, then click on the preferred location on the canvas. To select the object, you can either click on it directly on the canvas or select it from the objects table. The selected object gets highlighted, showing you that it is selected. To move the object, hold the left mouse button on the object, then move the cursor to the new location. You can change the door width through the objects table, or simply double-click on the door object on canvas and provide the new value. You can also rotate the object via the objects table or through the canvas by pressing and holding the mouse button on the top section of the object. To delete the object, first select it, then press delete on the keyboard. Alternatively, select it in the objects table and press the delete button. Similar commands apply to the window object. To add it to the canvas, select it in the object library, then click on the canvas. You can update the width through the objects table or by double-clicking on it. Similar to door object, you can rotate the window object through the objects table or on canvas. To delete the object, select it and press delete on keyboard or remove it through the objects table. Next is the tree object. You can resize it by holding the left mouse button on the edge and adjusting the size. Let's add arrow object. Now add a car object. Now add a table. Time to add a chair object. Let's see how a north direction object looks like. Time to add a text box. To update the text, double-click on the text box on the canvas, provide your text, then press Save. To provide text in multiple rows, simply hold the Shift key on the keyboard and press Enter to move to the row below. You can rotate the text box by holding the left mouse button to the top of the text box or through the Objects table. To adjust the size, hold the left mouse button on the edge and resize. Another useful object is the elevation object. This is handy when you need to provide elevations. To update the details, simply double-click on it and change the details. Similar to other objects, use the mouse button to move and rotate the object. As we've seen in this tutorial, the object library provides a comprehensive collection of elements that transform basic floor plans into detailed architectural drawings. These objects work seamlessly with all the tools we've learned in previous tutorials and maintain the same precision we've come to expect from SolidDrafter. Whether you're creating residential floor plans, commercial layouts, or site plans for council submission, the object library gives you everything needed to create complete professional drawings. In our next tutorial, we'll start drawing real projects that have already achieved council approvals in Australia. From this point forward, we'll be developing actual projects, real extensions, granny flats, and development applications that have been successfully submitted and approved by councils across Australia. Get ready to see SolidDrafter in action with genuine case studies that prove these tools work for real-world applications. Ready to start creating council-ready plans for your next project? Visit soliddrafter.com.au to start your free trial today. Thanks for watching. With SolidDrafter, you're always drafting with confidence.